Job of the day. We're gonna do bearings and check this trailer. Just a single axle. I think it's a 2K axle. And if it is, I need to run and grab bearings for it. I have bearings for a 3,500 pound, but I don't think I have bearings for a 2K. What are you? You are a 2K axle, I think. I'm gonna tear that down. That might actually be a 4,400 pound axle. All right, we'll tear it down, see what we got. And going up. This might be a 35 or a 4,400 pound spindle. Mine don't die on first. Cool. Oh, need a hammer. All right, this is a 2K axle. It's an 1/16". So I need 44649 bearings, and then I'm gonna pick up some seals. I'm gonna run and grab parts right now. I'm gonna check his lights first, make sure all his lights work, make sure I don't have to pick up any lights. But yeah, I'm gonna go grab bearings and then check lights. All right, marker lights are on the front. I'll grab my remote. Got good on the back, good on that back. Left turn's not working, but right turn, it is clicking, but not working. Okay, go back to marker lights. I got good marker lights on the rear. That one's not on, but it could just be a bad connection. That's a little cloudy. It's a West bar. Yeah, I'll order one of those for them. And I have lights just in case for the back. You know when days just absolutely terrible? I don't have the correct seal for this. This is not the right seal. The 1/16", I got the bearings correct, but the seal's wrong. I don't know what seal this is. It's an old reliable axle, which is why I'm getting thrown off. But now I need to go find a seal. And we did it. We got the correct seals. Bearings are good. I checked the seal on the spindle. So time to install this bad boy. Clean this spindle nut. Spindle nut on. Come on. Hi. There we go. Tighten down. On the back. Tighten a little more. That's too tight. That's good. Got a key bent. Tight. Spin. I'm gonna clean this. Pre-packed his bearing buddy. Everything's on. Seals on. New bearings, new seals, new grease. Bearing buddy is on. Clean. Oh, okay, got that. One lug nut on. These are always the hardest ones to get on. And got that one on. Got that. Got that. And last one. Got that. Tight, 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 tight. Good. Okay, this tire's on. Let's move to passenger side. Driver's side, or passenger side. I always get those confused for some reason in my head. Do it all day. Starter key is coming off. Please come off. There we go. Starter key is off. Spindle nut coming off. And there's the back seal. Change everything out. Passenger side on. Washer. Spindle nut. And cotter key bent over. Cotter key installed. And bearing buddy is on. I packed it. On. Good and tight. And let's put the tire on. Good. Tire and wheels on. Tire looks good. It's got good nubs. I'm gonna change this plug to a 7-way. I know he has a 7-way on his truck, and this 4-way is kind of nasty. So, new 7-way plug going in the front, and then I'm gonna check all the lights. I wasn't able to get a West bar light for the front here on the marker, but I did order one in for him, and I'll swing back and install that when it comes in. Plugged, eyeletted, and secured. 7-way is on, and tighten. Perfect. 7-way plugs on, see if the lights work now. Alright, I found another spot where the wires were just twisted together, and I think that's what my main issue was with the lights. So I got that, got brake lights on. I have my other tester, I was just trying to make sure it wasn't my tester, which every time I check and make sure it's not my tester, it's not. Do I have power back here? I do have power now, perfect. Okay, getting left turn, I'm getting marker lights, so I'm gonna wire this back up and verify. I got left turn working now. Let's do marker lights. Marker lights are on. Right turn. I got right turn working. And marker lights are on. Cool, the only light doesn't work is the front marker, but it has a blown bulb. It's a West bar housing, so I'm gonna order in another West bar housing for him. But I'm gonna clean up everything. Heat shrink all the butt connectors. All right, wiring back together. I'm just electrical taping around the shrunk wrap butt connectors. So everything's clean, nothing's loose. Everything else is zip tied. I'll clean off the zip ties. But I did get left turn, right turn working. Marker lights are working on the rear. Obviously that marker light's not working. But I got new bearings, new seals, new grease. Inside the hubs, everything's clean. His tires are good. He asked me to take a look at the tires. Tires are good. He does need a spare. Oh, he has a spare. Spare Spare looks good. I'll have to see if it's inflated. Dump flag was still there. Spare tire. Good enough for a spare, I guess. His tires look good. Let's see what else I got. Oh, I need to torque the lug nuts. And torquing lug nuts on driver's side. Good, good, good. Driver's side done. Moving to passenger side. And passenger side done. This trailer's done. I'm on to the next.